Here's a short EFT tapping you can use if you're about to go out or you have an event and you're feeling social anxiety about it. So go to the side of the hand, start tapping. Let yourself tune in to where it is you'll be going, what you're imagining, what the particular event is. All of that's going to start stirring things up emotionally, any sensations in your body. And this is good. We actually want to welcome this. We're not using this to deny it and psych ourselves up, right? So tuning into what you're feeling, repeating after me. Let's say, even though I am feeling anxious about going here, I choose to have some compassion for myself and everything I'm feeling. So even though I am feeling nerves, anxiety, fear about going out, I choose to honor myself as best I can. And so even though I have somewhere to go, and part of me feels anxious about it, and there may be very good reasons for that. I may be imagining something scary happening. I may have had real experiences where things did not go so well for me socially. I choose to honor and accept myself as best I can, and allowing these feelings to process. Okay, let's go through the points now and just say, all this fear I'm feeling, this anxiety I'm noticing, the sensations I'm feeling in my body, and anything I'm seeing in my mind, whether it's very clear or not, as to why it doesn't feel all that safe to be out around people. I may have very real experiences or imaginations in my mind of me being uncomfortable, of me presenting in a way that makes other people feel uncomfortable, any fear of being judged or criticized, just coming off awkwardly, making the wrong impression. I choose to let myself feel these feelings and acknowledge there is a reason they are here. I choose to let myself know that I am not bad or wrong for having these reactions, but to give them space to be felt. As counterintuitive as it might seem, allows some of this to move through me. It's not going to serve me to try to pretend all night, or to try to pretend I don't feel this way, or try to push these feelings away, or make them bad and wrong. What's most important for me is to give myself some grace here and begin to experience that as I practice this, even if I don't feel 100% confident or comfortable, I can begin to experience that even if I do feel a little anxious, that if I don't fight it, that if I don't make myself bad or wrong, I will become able to function more and more. Just like many great performers actually have stage anxiety. I don't have to do this perfectly. I'm allowed to feel and process what I'm feeling and give myself permission to feel what I feel, even when I'm around people. But the less I judge myself for it, the more I can practice just having an interaction, even if I don't feel super confident. I can begin to develop trust and capacity in myself that I can do this, even if I don't feel amazingly confident. It's actually not a requirement in order to be with people and to be authentic. It's giving myself permission to move at the pace that's right for me. Okay, take a breath. You might want to continue tapping before you go out, even if you're not saying words. If specific scenarios are coming up, you can remember with EFT, the idea is you're letting the feelings be felt. You're even letting your mind show you unpleasant situations, and the tapping is calming the system down so they're not eliciting the same fear response. You do not have to be like the most suave, confident person in the world. And it doesn't mean that if you let yourself feel some of the emotions you're feeling, that they're just going to pour out of you, right? Actually, the more you fight it, the more you're like trying to tell yourself, be confident, smile, don't look awkward, the more uncomfortable it tends to appear. So give yourself permission to feel what you're feeling. I hope this helps, and I hope I will see you again soon. I will do a longer exploration to help get more into what the roots might be for your particular experience of this anxiety. Hope it helps, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.